Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing my unboxing of Spellbinders February 2022 club kits. I have 3 different club kits I'll be using this month. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in subscribing to any of the kits that I show. So we'll start off with the large die of the month. Look at all these dies you get. So we have a typewriter, there's also some florals and leaves, several different sentiments. I don't have them in the right order. There's happy birthday and also a note to say thanks. I really love the detail and the size of the typewriter. That'll be fun to use. The next club kit is their embossing folder of the month. So this is a beautiful floral pattern. And their embossing folders are very large. So it's just under 6 by 9 inches. So you'll be able to use it for an A2 size card, a 5x7, a slimline, lots of different options. I love that they made it large enough to work for most card sizes. The final club kit I'll be showing is the card kit of the month. I really enjoy using Spellbinders card kits. For the February 2022 theme, this is Always Remember. So when you open up your box, you'll get your information card. On one side, it has the contents and also 3 different card samples. And on the other side, there's a tutorial showing how to assemble one of those card samples. And generally, the tutorial includes the dies that are in the kit. Let me show you everything that's included. There are 9 sheets of cardstock, and these are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a few pastel colors. We have green, pink, blue, a very light pink. There's a bright yellow, 2 different shades of purple, white, and also the gold mirror. And I will hide this underneath the white so I don't blind you with my overhead lights. Here's the 6x6 paper pad that's included. There are 40 sheets. You'll get 2 of each design. And I'll flip through them quickly so you can get an idea of everything that's included. Lots of beautiful colors. There's some florals, there's some tone on tone, there's some rainbows and clouds. I love the teal wood grain, more tone on tones, some butterflies. There are a couple designs that do have some of the gold foil finish. Here's one of them. It's just the tiny polka dots, so it's hard to see in the video. There's some more beautiful patterns. This has more of that gold foil. It's on all of the words. Another floral. Here's some raindrops with some of that gold foil finish. There's a globe. And then we're back to repeating the designs. I wasn't sure, I forgot what the first paper was that I showed. The next item is the stamp set that's included, and this month it's all sentiments except for a couple little leaf branches. I'll read just a few of them. Sending loving thoughts, I miss your smile, the clouds will clear and the sun will shine, never lose hope, love you, miss you, let's catch up soon. There are also 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments. They're nice and sturdy and do have adhesive on the back side. There's also a pack of chipboard frames, and these also have that adhesive on the back side. You just have to remove the release paper. There's 3 different sizes. Some of them have that gold foil finish. You'll receive a total of 12 different chipboard frames. These are fun to use for shaker cards or to frame a sentiment or image. You'll also receive 10 A2 size envelopes and 10 A2 size card bases, all in white. The card bases do have a linen texture finish. The kit also includes the very large pack of die cut shapes. And I will lay out all of the pieces on my craft table at the end so you can see everything that's included. You'll get a sheet of foam squares and also some adhesive tape. I love that Spellbinders has adhesive, card bases, and envelopes in the kit. For embellishments, we have a beautiful bag of sequins, clear iridescent, so really shiny. And then the final item is the die set. You'll receive 13 different dies. So we have the 1/2 that'll form a wreath. So you just need to cut out 2 so you can have both halves. And then there's lots of sentiments. We have the word hello, so you could use that one on its own. We have perfect. This is saying, just trying to figure out which direction it went. We also have made, day. This would have been easier if I cut these out first. Next is just. There's the word you, and it looks like I received 2 of that die. We also have some teeny tiny little flowers. There's the word are and my. So you'll be able to mix and match several of those words to create your sentiment. Now here's a look at all the die cut pieces, and there are 2 of each. Some of them do have that gold foil finish, and then others are just plain. I love all these beautiful florals. They almost look like a watercolor image. Now here's another look at the 3 club kits I'll be using for February 2022. If you are interested in subscribing to any of the club kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using all 3 of the kits. Spellbinders does have several other club kits, and you can go and check those out. They also have value clubs, so if you want to subscribe to more than 1 kit, you can save some money. And they do sell some of their kit components individually. It could be the paper pad, the die cut shapes, maybe the stickers, and I will have a link for that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.